Hey YouTube, today we're going to be working on the Ninja race bike. We're going to do something real quick and simple today. We're just going to add spools so that we can put a different racing stand up on the bike. Now, although the bike is up on racing stands right now, this racing stand is designed for bikes that don't have the spools set up on their swing arm. On this bike, you can see it has its spool swing arm set up because there's these little threads on the side of the swing arm. They're actually for the spools. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go put spools on this bike. Okay, the spools I got them from eBay. They're, I think, Bike Master. The Bike Master brand. I actually picked these up for $9 with free shipping. These are 10mm spools. Okay, when you take them out of the package, basically just the spool itself and an Allen key bolt. Stick the Allen key bolt inside the spool. We're going to attach it to the bike. Now there's no reason to put Loctite on this. They're not going to go anywhere. I've had them on my 10 for years and they've never come loose. So. That's it. That's one side of it. Now for filming purposes, I've turned the bike around so we can do the other side. But just like the other side, we have that same thread place for the spool. So basically all we're going to do is screw it in again. And we're done with that. See, when you're putting the ones that doesn't have the spools on it, it's a little harder to do because you have to line it up on the bike. You have to get it on both sides and then push back on it. Now you're always going to be putting it in different spots. Now, one thing good about this is that you can put the stand wherever you want it. You can put the stand wherever you want it, and like in our garage it's tight, so I can push it further up here, but it's not as sturdy for people walking by the garage. And you can see the bike wobbles a little bit. Now for demonstration purposes, I'm going to show it to you on the 10 because I don't have the right pieces for the spools on this stand. I ordered them from Pitbull. They should be here any day. So let me show you on the 10. Okay, now I'm at the 10, and this one has spools. So now all I have to do is connect the spools, and that goes on both sides. So it sets it up and just push the bike down. There you go. So that's why you want spools. Now looking on this bike, I mean, you can push this thing, and this thing ain't going anywhere. So they're much more sturdy on the spools. A lot easier to pick the bike up because it's locked in. It actually holds the bike for you as they're locked in, and that's why we did it. So thanks as always, YouTube. Like and subscribe. Appreciate the comments. Always enjoy talking to YouTubers and explaining stuff that maybe hasn't been on the video. So if you have any questions, comment. I always answer. I answer shout outs too. If someone asks for a shout out, I usually give it to them.
As always, YouTube, like and subscribe for more videos and give us a thumbs up.